If you're tired of repeating the same tasks every day, Make.com can become your ultimate time saver. In this video, I'll show you how to use Make.com to automate daily workflows so you can focus on what actually matters. Start by logging into your Make.com account, exploring the dashboard. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new scenario. A scenario is just Make.com's way of saying automation. Think of it like a flow, a chain of actions triggered by specific events. Next, choose a trigger app. For example, if you want something to happen whenever you get a new email, you can use Gmail as your trigger. Once you have set your trigger, it's time to add actions. You can connect apps like Google Sheets, Notion, or Slack and set up what you want them to do once the trigger fires. You might have new emails and automatically save them to your spreadsheet or a new calendar event posted in your Slack channel. The possibilities are endless. You can test your scenario before activating it to make sure it works exactly how you want. And once it's good to go, hit that play button and let that automation run on its own. The best part is you can schedule these to run at specific times or continuously monitor for changes. Make.com even has templates, so if you're not sure where to start, you can just pick a pre-built automation and tweak it to your needs. Now that you know how to automate daily tasks using Make.com, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more automation tips.